Sunday. It's day 2 of the 2-dayer at HAREWOOD. Now the last but 2 of the races in the MG Car Club Speed Series. Here we are just north of Leeds at the fantastic HAREWOOD circuit. No wind today, very still, not too cold, which is good, but this is what the forecast is going to be for the day. Track conditions should be dry today. We've got the morning dampness to deal with. We probably need the first 2 practice laps just to dry it out properly, but already it's drying in the morning heat, if you can call it that. So should be on for a good day sprinting. As scrutineering was done yesterday, nothing more to do today to the car. That's ready to go. So first practice, and then standard work, bacon sandwich, cup of tea, and then the serious action will start after lunch. So in terms of timing today, yesterday I managed to creep under the 74-second mark. So the challenge today is to see if I can get down into the 72s. I think the car's got it in it, if the driver can hold on long enough. So let's cut straight to the action and see the best of what I did today. So a great weekend at HAREWOOD. 2 more rounds to go, Hillmore and then Castlecombe. So 2 more before the season end, the end of this year's championship. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.